got some new launchers. They are called Rocket Shot. And we're going to test them out today, and our dad is right here.
Hi guys.
Back.
Yes.
Face the camera to you. Hurry.
See, he's right here.
Not like
And
that.
he's right here.
Okay.
So
Go for it.
today we're going to be launching them, and these, if you ever get them, you could get them at, what's the store back?
It was a discount store, and you guys will be showing how is the safest way to use them, right?
Just go,
Yes.
and you'll get it.
Okay.
Just go.
I'll show you an
on
example
free.
of not doing it. So do not, if you are not,
If you put it like this, and if you press it, it'll launch your neck, and that's rule number one. And if you look at it and it's not going, and you shake it, it'll just explode in your eye and shoot your eye.
okay.
That's rule
So,
number two.
What we are gonna do, so these, they could stand like this, or like this. For example,
Give me a minute. And you could also hear my big brother, like right here.
and we just found out that you could use these as
And
frisbees.
we also found out that you could do this.
So you could find these at what store that?
And they have this level that you press, and it activates to shoot. Cool, right? And if you put, and you just see that has a hole.
So
They
where we
spin. so
got
you
ours-
just push it in, and then you just notch up.
So today where we got ours was from the store, and we got it for $2. 2 plus 4, 4. I mean 2 plus 2, 4. And as you see,
And it
we
has
got some
come,
launching to do.
and we have some foam, so it won't hurt that bad.
Okay, so this is how high it could go. Ready, set, go. I see they don't do it good, so what makes me better is some bubbles.
So what makes me better is shooting him. But as you take a look, you got two
As
blasters.
you could call him Mr. Evil in this show.
You know, that's a mess.
Okay, so today we're gonna try out these frisbees. Ready, back?
I ate them with my frisbee.
It's over there.
You gotta come.
Not yet.
Woo! As you guessed, I hit my head on the ground. As you guessed, my brother's
So
a
what
big
we like
fat
doing
brother.
is we like flipping on the grass even though we could get itchy.
Yeah, so it's not a problem.